before, after, before, after, before, after. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So let's get started. At first select the picture. Go to Light. Contrast plus 15. Highlights minus 100. Shadows plus 57. Whites plus 25. Blacks minus 10. Go to Curve. White. And done. Go to Color. Temp minus 7. Tint plus 9. Vibrance plus 65. Saturation minus 22. Go to Grading. Slide down. Shadows. Hue 214. Saturation 9. Blending 100. Slide up. Go to Next Grading. Slide down. Highlights. Hue 228. Saturation 12. Slide up. And done. Go to Color Mix. Go to Orange Color. Luminance plus 15. Go to Yellow Color. Hue minus 20. Luminance plus 20. Go to Green Color. Hue minus 20. Saturation minus 10. Luminance plus 61. Go to Aqua Color. Saturation minus 28. Luminance minus 47. Go to Blue Color. Hue minus 16. Saturation plus 13. Luminance -38. Undone. Go to Effects. Clarity +50. Slide down. Go to Detail. Sharpening 70. Go to Profiles. Slide down. Select Vintage 10 by 100. Undone. Go to 3-dot icon. Copy setting. Undone. Before. After. Go to Next Picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to Next Picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to Next Picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to Next Picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Now complete your preset.